No overflow.
Oh, mamma mia! Let's go!
Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're at
our house.
Yeah, and we're going to make strawberry waffles. And before we get started, please give us a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button.
These are the ingredients. We have
strawberries, of course.
Fresh strawberries, oil, water, and we are going to be using the Aunt Jemima Original Complete Pancake Waffle Mix today.
Yum. We're gonna do 1 pound of the mix and put it in here, and we're gonna weigh out 1 pound. There goes the steam. Now it's the part you've all been waiting for, to smoosh up these strawberries.
I've already washed and taken the stems out of the strawberries so Eddie can go at it.
Ow! Wow, these are strong. I got into one. We kind of cheated a little bit. It was too strong for me, so we used a blender. And this is what it looks like.
Nice and pureed.
Now we add a 1/2 cup of oil to our mix. Pull it up to the top there.
Go get some paper towels and clean up our mess.
Now we add 2.5 cups of water and our strawberry stuff.
Puree.
Which one do I have first?
Doesn't matter. Look it in more. There you go.
And still so much. Okay.
That's what paper towels are for.
Yep.
And before you started cooking or baking, what did you do?
Wash my hands.
That's right. Always wash your hands before making food. You can use that to help get it in there.
We added strawberries this time, but you can add any kind of fruit, but some people chop it up and put it in there. We like to mix it in there so every bite has the flavor. And
now
we're gonna mix. Make sure to get all the powder in here. There's a lot of it by the bottom and all on the sides. So it's going to stick. That's the hard part. It is going to stick, but you have to mix it all up. Ugh, that sound doesn't sound good. Get that thing in there. Get that thing in there.
And also, before we started mixing, I turned on the waffle iron because you have to let that heat up.
This is what our batter looks like when it's all good, and we let it sit for a few minutes. And Daddy Bite sprayed the waffle maker.
So this is ready to go. We're going to add 1 scoop of batter to the waffle maker and wait until it tells us we're ready, and we'll be back.
1 scoop. There goes bubbling. Daddy's gonna flip it, and we're gonna wait until it says ready on the waffle machine.
This is Eddie recording if you haven't figured that out. So the waffle maker just indicated that it's ready, so here we go. There's our nice fluffy golden brown waffle. There's our final product, and you can top it with whatever you want, but the strawberry is all mixed in, and now you just finish with the rest of the batter.
I'm gonna do my taste test.
Okay then.
Yum.
Why is it so good?
It's so good because the waffle and the strawberry really make a good taste. And it's very crunchy and the inside soft. And you can taste the strawberries. That's the bestest part. Subscribe and ring that bell. Ding! And thumbs up the video. And if you like our channel, comment where you want it to go, or to play with, or to bake. And remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye!
Boy, you have an interesting way of cleaning up messes.